Welcome to Adventure Pulse, your ultimate guide to the world's most captivating destinations. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore one of China's most significant and historic rivers, the Huanghe, also known as the Yellow River. This river is not only the cradle of Chinese civilization, but also a natural marvel with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Join us as we dive deep into the mysteries and wonders of the Huanghe. Origins and geography. The Huanghe originates in the Bayanhe Mountains of western China, traversing over 5,400 kilometers eastward before emptying into the Bohai Sea. Its journey cuts through contrasting landscapes, from the rugged Tibetan plateau to the fertile plains of eastern China, earning its name from the rich loess sediment that colors its waters. Cultural significance. Historical importance. For thousands of years, the Huanghe has been both a cradle of civilization and a force of nature. Its basin is home to some of China's earliest cultures, including the legendary Xia and Song dynasties. The river's fertile plains facilitated agricultural advancements and sustained thriving communities along its banks. Mythology and legends. In Chinese mythology, the Huanghe is revered as the Mother River, embodying the essence of life and prosperity. Legends speak of dragons that once roamed its waters, symbolizing the river's power and the spiritual connection of the Chinese people to their land. Environmental challenges and conservation efforts. Ecological concerns. Despite its cultural significance, the Huanghe faces modern challenges. Rapid industrialization and urbanization have strained its resources, leading to pollution and water shortages. Efforts are underway to restore ecological balance, including reforestation projects and sustainable water management initiatives. Conservation initiatives. Government and community-led conservation efforts aim to preserve the river's biodiversity and ensure its sustainability for future generations. These include river basin management strategies, pollution control measures, and public awareness campaigns to promote environmental stewardship. Economic importance and infrastructure. Agricultural heartland. The Huanghe Basin remains a vital agricultural hub, producing staple crops like wheat, maize, and cotton. Its fertile plains benefit from the river's annual floods, which deposit nutrient-rich sediment and support intensive farming practices crucial to China's food security. Hydroelectric power. In addition to agriculture, the Huanghe is harnessed for hydroelectric power generation. Dams and reservoirs along its course contribute significantly to China's renewable energy portfolio, providing clean electricity to millions while mitigating flood risks downstream. Cultural heritage along the banks. Ancient capitals and heritage sites. The Huanghe Basin boasts a wealth of cultural heritage sites, including ancient capitals such as Lebanon and Luoyang. These cities served as political and cultural centers during various dynasties, preserving architectural marvels, imperial tombs, and priceless artifacts that offer glimpses into China's storied past. Art and literature. Throughout history, poets, artists, and scholars have drawn inspiration from the Huanghe's beauty and symbolism. Their works celebrate the river's majesty and its enduring influence on Chinese art, literature, and philosophy, reflecting a profound connection to nature and the rhythms of life. Conclusion: a river of resilience. The Huanghe stands as a testament to China's enduring spirit and ingenuity, navigating the challenges of history and modernity with unwavering strength. As we conclude our journey, let us continue to cherish and protect this invaluable resource, ensuring that the Huanghe's legacy continues to enrich the lives of generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this expedition through the heart of China. Stay tuned to Adventure Pulse for more explorations into the world's most fascinating landscapes and cultural treasures. Until next time, keep exploring. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye and see you later.
Breathtaking. Breathtaking.